Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all you are well at your home. I am Setu. I am the senior teacher of mathematics, Milestone School and College. We all know we are passing very much tough day for this disease. In the meantime, Milestone School and College initiate a very great process for this online class. This would be very much helpful for you to continue your study at your home. You can look after the online CW and submit your SW in the comment. This is a very much continued process for your study. So let's start today's class. My dear students of class 6, today I am going to discuss chapter 3, integers, exercise 3.3. Our OCW number today 13, and I am going to discuss the math number 10 and 11, and after that he will do the rest of the math. At first, I have discussed some important things that help you to make you better understanding the number 10 and number 11 math. So let's start today's class. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to do addition of integers, do difference between integers, do addition of integers without using number line, find the sum of positive and negative integers, fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal sign. At first, we have to understand this thing very much clearly, that is multiplication rule of plus and minus sign. Let's see the first rule. Plus and plus, that would be plus. Plus and minus, that the multiplication would be minus. Minus and plus, the multiplication will be minus. Minus and minus, the multiplication will be plus. Again I am saying, you can see the first one, plus and plus, that would be plus. Plus and minus, that would be minus. Minus and plus, that would be minus. Minus and minus, that would be plus. So again we have to know the another topic, additive inverse, that is new for you. So what is additive inverse? Additive inverse, the number in the set of real numbers that when added to a given number will yield 0. That means the additive inverse of plus 2, it would be minus 2, and if we do the sum of these two, plus 2 and minus 2, we will get 0. That is the thing in here is saying the number in the set of real numbers that when added to a given number will yield 0. Next, additive inverse of minus a is plus a. Let's see an example. Suppose 4 plus additive inverse of 5. So 4 plus additive inverse of 5 means minus 5. We already know. Additive inverse of plus 5, that would be minus 5. Additive inverse of minus 5, that would be plus 5. That means just opposite of that number with the sign. So after that, 4 minus 5. Why? Because plus and minus, in here plus and minus, that would be minus. Already we learned the formula at first. Plus and minus, that would be multiplication rule, it would be minus. So from plus 4 and minus 5, that would be minus. So the answer will be minus 1. After that, exercise 3.3. Find the difference. Number 10, number A. You can see 35 minus 20. We will write down like this. Any number, if the left side of any number is blank, we will think that would be plus every time. That is true for every time. Any number, if the left side of that number is blank, we will think that would be plus sign. So plus 35 and minus 20. So the next line will be plus 15. Why? Because plus and minus, that would be minus. So we have to subtract 20 from 35. So plus and minus, that would be minus. So from 35, if we subtract 20, we will get 15. And the sign will be the bigger number sign. In here you can see the bigger number is 35 and the sign will be obviously plus. So answer is plus 15. The next math, C number, minus 15 minus 18. So minus 15 plus additive inverse of minus 18. We know additive inverse of minus 18, that would be plus 18. So minus 15 plus additive inverse of minus 18, that would be plus 18. In here that would be plus 3 answer, because minus 15 and plus 18. In here sign minus and plus, that would be plus and minus. The multiplication rule will be minus. So we have to do subtraction. So from 18, if we subtract 15, we will get 3. And the sign obviously will be the bigger number sign. In here you can see the bigger number is 18 and that number sign is plus. So the answer will be the plus 3. Answer is plus 3. Next math, E number, 23 minus 12. So you can do again the same thing like this. Plus 23 plus additive inverse of minus 12, because in here minus and minus. So additive inverse of minus 12, we know additive inverse of minus 12, that would be plus. So plus 23 and plus 12, we know plus and plus, that would be plus. So plus and plus, that would be plus. We will do the addition in here. 23, 12, that would be 35, and the sign will be the bigger number sign. In here the bigger number is 23 and the sign will be plus. Obviously plus 35 is the desired answer. Fill in the blanks, greater than, less than or equal sign. Let's see the first math. 11 number, so minus 3 plus minus 6 minus 3 minus minus 6. In here is a gap, so we have to find out the gap. This is greater than or less than or equal. So let's see the left hand side. Minus 3 plus minus 6. So this is the thing, minus 3 and minus 6. Why? Because plus and minus, that would be minus. That's why in here minus 6. And we know minus and minus, that would be plus. So we will write down in here addition. 3, 6, that would be 9, and the sign will be the bigger number sign, minus, because 6 is the bigger number in here and the sign of this number is minus, so the answer will be minus. Now right hand side, minus 3 minus minus 3. Next line, no minus 3 in here, and minus, that would be obviously plus. because of multiplication rule. Minus and minus, that would be plus. So plus and minus, that would be also minus. So if we will subtract 3 from 6, we will get 3, and the sign will be the bigger number sign. In here the bigger number is 6 and the sign will be plus. So as we see, minus 9 and plus 3 is bigger, so that is the sign we will use. Minus 3 plus minus 6 less than minus 3 minus minus 6. That is our desired solution. Next math, number C. The same thing, we have to find out bigger sign or less than sign or equal sign. So let's see the left hand side. 45 minus minus 11, that means 45 plus minus and minus, that would be plus, because minus and minus, that would be plus. In here you can see, so plus and plus, that would be plus. So we will do the addition between these two, that is 56, and the sign will be the bigger number sign. Bigger number is 45 in here and the sign will be plus. Next, right hand side, 57 plus minus 4, plus 57 minus 4, that would be plus, and minus, that would be minus. That's why in here we will put minus sign, and plus and minus, that would be minus, so we will put in here plus sign. So from 57, if we subtract 4, we will get 53, and the sign will be the bigger number sign. In here the bigger number is 57, so plus 53 is our desired answer. So in here you can see 56 is greater than 53, so we will write like this. That is our desired solution. So my dear students, I have discussed number 10 and number 11, and I am going to giving you OSW. Today's OSW is rest of the math of 10 and rest of the math of 11, and you will follow my rules and you can do the rest of the math. So today's OSW number 13, exercise 3.3, number 10, B, D, F, and number 11, B and D. So my dear students, please observe this video. More and more time you will understand it very clearly, and if you don't understand, I am available online all the time, and my telephone number also, you can call me or you can contact with the messenger.